your biggest lead source, at least in my opinion, is always going to come from open houses. So here at Dream Select Realty, one of the biggest thing I do for my agents is sit them at open houses. Whether they have a listing or not. If I don't want to sit at one of my open houses, hey, Juan, do you want to sit at an open house? Hey, David, do you want to sit at an open house? That gives you so many leads. People come to an open house with their family, with their wives, their kids. Those are real leads. Those are real people that are looking for the opportunity to buy a house. When you cold call Zillow leads or any of the other, Realtor.com leads, you're going to get hung up on. All I have to do is go on Zillow, click on a house, I'm a lead, whether I'm playing around or not. If I show up to an open house that you have with my wife and my kids, more than likely, 9 times out of 10, we're not just window shopping. We're out there trying to find a place to live. So the best place to source leads is open houses.